Invicta Men S1 Rally Stainless Steel Watch In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.7 stars based on 179 ratings and 44 reviews. 93% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 3% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "My favorite watch right now. I have a collection of expensive watches, Hublot, Breitling, AP, etc. But recently have gotten into these much lower prices fashion watches because they are unique in their own way and I don't have to worry about losing them, getting them stolen, or something else happening to them when I wear them out. There have been hits and misses, but I consider this one my favorite hit. I like its rally style, classic look, glass bottom detailing, size, weight and mass. It doesn't feel cheap and it looks great. It's currently sold out, but if you find one, snatch it up." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Does not keep accurate time. I like the look and feel of this watch very much, but that's where it ends. If I wear this watch all day, it will lose its charge in less than 2 days. It also gains a lot of time. I set it to the atomic clock time and it had gained 2 full minutes in 4 days. Not even my cheap $10 Walmart watches do that. Very disappointed. That's it.